This is, the fire alarm is going in the studio. We're in the middle of the show. Open the door. So what's going on? Is the fire alarm going? This is a commercial break. I want the viewers to know we're in a commercial break. Does anybody have any idea whether we should be leaving the studio? Joseph? I hate to bother you. I hate to bother you, but how much time before we come back from break? Mary Pat?
There's no fire, right?
Is there a fire?
Hey, Jody, we're back in the minute.
What?
In the booth.
Is there a fire?
Get back in the booth. We're back in a minute.
Is there a fire?
No, there's no fire.
Why is the alarm going up? What?
Because I don't see smoke.
Well, you could be on another floor. That is the dumbest thing. There could be another floor.
Do you want me to make a decision?
What?
Do you want me to make an executive
Hey,
decision?
no, but why don't you call security? Call
Hey,
security
how
and
much
find
time
out
do we
there's a
have?
fire.
They're on the security right now. 15 back to the cluster buster.
Oh.
Yep.